Hello guys, welcome to eTrainerBox. Today we will discuss about match function. Match function basically we use if we have a large number of data and we want to get the position of specific item. In that case we will use match function. Before I start my video further, kindly subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get my future videos notification. In this table you will see that there are number of items available. So if I want to know the position of any item, I will use the match function. For this purpose I will write the item name here. For example, firstly I want to know the position of car, so I will write it here car. Then I will use the match function equal match bracket, lookup value is e5 comma, then lookup array that is a5 to a18. After that I will fix my range comma. So I want to exactly match my value, so I will use the 0 bracket close, then I will enter. When I enter the formula, you will see that function give me the position 5. So for the counter check I will go back to the table, then I will count it 1 2 3 4 and 5. You will see that on the fifth number car item is available. So now if I want to check the position of store, so I will write it here store and just enter. You will see that match function give me the position of 11. Similarly, if I write it here red and enter, you will see that excel function give me the position of 3. So hopefully you like my video and don't forget to leave your comments. Thank you so much.